Greetings to all, everybody. Come on in, come on in. We got some information to share with you all tonight. Life-changing information that's going to change your very life. All right, come on in, everybody. I'm Dr. Jeremiah Fleming, and I'm the owner and president of Soul to Wealth for Legacy. I'm excited to be with you all tonight. Y'all come on in. Come on. I know some of y'all watching the football game, but you can watch this a little bit later. But I just want to get information. When I did this turn like this, I had football on hold. I watched the first game. The Patriots won. Woo! Unfortunately, I'm not a Patriots fan, but shout out to the Patriots. The Patriots won, and we're glad that they did it. Yeah, they did it without Tom Brady. The Patriots won the not Super Bowl. They won the division. So give them a hand, everybody. I'm not a Patriots fan, but I'm an NFL fan now because my quarterback, Aaron Rodgers, is probably going to be retiring this year. He's on the Steelers now. He was on Green Bay. But we're excited, you all, to be here tonight. I just wanted to come in and share this with the people. I had a pressing on me today. I know the Rams are playing right now. Let's see what the scores are. NFL live scores. Okay, let's see who's winning so far. It is the Seahawks. Wow, second quarter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up for the second half. They got 12 minutes left. Okay, I'm going to watch that. But yes, so I'm excited to be here with you all. I had to share this information. I wanted to get this information out. It's very important information. Still January, so I'm going to be doing some very radical things in January. I'm going to be doing some very radical things in January. Which means it's going to be like, as God will stir me, as God will push me. I'm a minister of the gospel. I'm going to be saying God. I'm going to be saying thank you, Jesus, and some of my stuff. I may be speaking tongues a little bit, or I may prophesy. Please bear with me, y'all. This is the season I'm in. Amen. I told my wife this is a pouring season for me. You all go ahead and text the word increase to 708-316-8662. The major masterclass is coming up. There will be a fee for that class, but I'm telling you, this class tonight, I'm just giving it to y'all. I just feel I want to just give out information tonight to encourage and help a lot of people out there. So the master class is coming up real soon. I'll be having a flyer up real soon for the master class. But you all, I'm telling you, the stuff that I'm about to share with you all tonight is life changing. Go ahead and grab a pen and paper. You got the football game on. Put this on save in your Facebook. Also on YouTube. You guys go ahead and save it so you can come back to it and listen to it later, because I know a lot of people watching the game, but I was pressed to do this. So I said I'd get back to the game. All right, we're going to talk a little bit tonight about God's money. You popped on the screen. You see that gold. We trade gold in the Forex market. We're going to share with you a little bit about that tonight, about the Forex market. All right, we're going to be talking a little bit about that tonight, and we trading God's money. Boom. Y'all like all that gold, right? Yeah. Gold for kingdom. Amen. Gold for kingdom. So we're going to be sharing a little bit of that tonight. We're going to be talking about credit repair. We're going to be talking about funding for your business and for your church. We're talking about real estate a little bit tonight. We're not going to hit too much on that, but we want to talk about a few things tonight. Again, to start encouraging everybody to start moving in this direction at the beginning of the year. I can't stress it as much as I can. I'm gonna try to stress it as much as I can. This is the January, you all. Let's get active in investing. Let's get active in doing things that's going to supernaturally change our life for decades. Did y'all hear what I just said? For decades. I ain't talking about right now. We need to. The Bible says a wise man leaves an inheritance for his children, his children's children. We know that's just not money. It's information as well. So we want to be able to pour out this information to you all tonight. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with first. A lot of people running through, through life with some credit repair issues. I have a company I work with. It's called Credit Unlimited, and it's a great company. They're doing some great things for people's credit, building your credit score. So we're going to go really quick to the website so you all could see a little bit about it, and so you can know about the credit repair. So I'm sharing it on the screen now. Okay, so let's go back to the home page here. Credit repair services, www.unlimited. Okay. If you are going to go to the site, you all, please let me know. I want to be able to know who you are so we could get credit for it, and also let them know that you're calling based on the Facebook thing you've seen. You go to the website, put in your information here, get free consultation on your credit. All right, put your information in there rather. All right, put your information in here, okay, and put your information in so you can get the process going. Okay, you want to be able to get the process going. A lot of you are trying to do a lot with your credit this year. We want to get ready to start building your credit and getting the scores that you're worthy of. A lot of you have had issues with credit. A lot of you, I've been kind of thinking of, kind of guessing where your credit is. All right, we're gonna start you information to help you know exactly what your credit score is, because a lot of people thinking their credit is. When I talked to a client the other day, he thought his credit was one way and it wasn't even nowhere near that. So you want to make sure that you guys get the right accurate information on your credit and start getting your score up. Okay. Put your name, your email address, phone numbers, and zip code, and information is on the screen. Um, to take the hassle out of credit repair, sign up for Credit Unlimited. Tell us which credit items to dispute, and we'll get the job done. Okay. Credit process. Click on there, see how the credit process works. All information is on the first page. Experts will go to work for you. Process, really quick. The process of getting your credit repair here is right here. All right, credit repair, become a client, send the reports. Right, here's the prices right here. It's $99. Now this price is cut for educators and people in the army and all that good stuff. A lot of prices are much higher than this. You guys have seen them at $200. I had someone tell me on 400, $300 to get credit repair. No, it's only $99 to start. It's a little bit lesser for educators and people in the army and service and first responders. I think it's starting off at $80 and $79 a month. You all can't beat that. All right. So, right. So the information is here about getting your credit repaired. Then it tells you about the company and learn about the company. Go to this site and read up on the company, what the company is about. And then you also have the number here if you want to call somebody directly. But here's one of our representatives here, Christina Arlington. All right. She is on your side. And then you can go in there and read that information there. Okay. That's on credit repair. So we're talking about credit repair tonight. Now let's get into that's the first thing I want to talk about because I want everybody text that word right now. Increase to 708-316-8662. Text that word right now. 708-316-8662. Text increase. I want to be able to get you into the master class. This is just the intro of the master class. Stuff we're going to be talking about is life changing. Okay, so that's the credit repair. www.creditunlimited.com. Credit repair. You guys get your credit straight because the next thing I'm going to talk about is business funding. Most of the time, when you're applying for business funding, they look at your personal credit. All right. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of information on this business. I'm telling you, y'all want to stay here and listen to this. This business funding program is absolutely outstanding. One of the co-founders of this company is Damon John. Damon John, y'all know who Damon John is. A lot of y'all probably do, but a lot of y'all probably don't. Damon John is one shark. Damon John created FUBU, the FUBU wear. Some of y'all got FUBU clothes and all that good stuff. He is one of the creators of well, he is the creator and founder of FUBU. All right, but he is one of the individuals that's a part of this company. The name of the company is called Nove. Okay, we want to give you information about getting business funding, funding for your business, funding for your church. Okay, church projects. If you got church projects, you things you're trying to do, call your pastor. Tell them, look, we have some resources to help you get funding. We want to help you guys get funding. We want to work on your credit. We want to get your credit straight. We got the information we just gave you on your credit. All right. We want to make sure that you all go to the website, creditunlimited.com. Type in that general information. Somebody going to reach out to you. And then let me know that you put your information there because we want to get credit. And also, we want to make sure that you all get helped under our under our company, Total Legacy. Okay. Now I'm going to give you just a little bit of information here with Damon John. He's going to give you a little bit of talk. All right. Damon John, again, is the founder of FUBU. He's a part of this company called Nove. He's one of the co-founders of Nove. All right. So we're going to play a little bit.
What's up? It's the Shark here, Damon John, and I want to congratulate my fellow Sharks, Rico, Hazik, Shanae, and all the affiliates nationwide. And I want to tell you congratulations for Nove and for making the Inc. 5000 as one of the fastest growing companies in America out of more than 7 million. In fact, number 2037. Now that is a hard number to beat. Trust me, you are just getting started. So I want to make sure that I congratulate you because that's what I call display of power. Be very proud of your accomplishments. Many more to come. Thank you for being fellow Sharks. Thank you for testing yourself. And this is only the beginning. All the best. Peace.
Okay. Damon John, you heard it from him. Our company is now partnered with him in Nove. So we want to make sure that you all understand the power of the success of this company. It's no joke. If you guys need funding for your church, for your business, if you need equipment for your business, I know a lot of y'all got some businesses, you're trying to get your equipment, you're trying to get capital for the, whatever you're trying to get in your business. We want to help you succeed. All right. So I'm gonna give you a little information about the Nove financing right now, so you guys can see exactly what the financing look like. Check it out.
Did you know that when given a chance, consumers prefer to finance a purchase rather than charge it to their credit card? Providing affordable financing options gives your customers the flexibility to buy what they want now and pay for it over time. But how do you know which consumer financing solution to offer your customers? Most consumer and point-of-sale financing services only offer one kind of product and can only approve customers with excellent credit. But now, there's a new way to get financing. Introducing Nove Financing. Nove, meaning new or new beginnings, has partnered with the country's top lenders on a fully automated platform to provide an array of flexible financing options for consumers across the credit spectrum with credit scores as low as 550 and approving purchases up to $50,000. Imagine being able to offer high-ticket home improvement, healthcare or cosmetic surgery, retail or e-commerce products, and even coaching and consulting programs for no money upfront for your customers. But you get full payment from the lender in just a few days. With Nove Financing, your customers can pre-qualify for financing offers without it affecting their credit and then be approved for the maximum amount so they can confidently buy more online, in-store, or on the go. Wherever you're doing business, Nove Financing is there to make your products and services more affordable to more customers. Learn how you can start selling more with Nove Financing by visiting us at novefinancing.com.
Okay, there you have it, y'all. There you have it. Simply put, you need financing for equipment. You need financing for your business. Whatever you need to get inside your business, Nove is a great solution. A lot of banks right now are not giving finances out to small businesses. Okay. We want to be that solution. Okay. So I got another video I want to show you about the Nove money, your business credit. A lot of you got to build business credit. You have to build business credit. All right. We're talking about wealth right now. You build your company correctly. You have to build business credit. So we want to get you that business credit information to help you start building your business credit. Okay, check this out.
Do you currently own or are you starting a business? Do you have the capital required to have what you need to succeed? Have you tried to apply for a loan or credit card to support your business, but got turned down because you didn't have enough business history or didn't have business credit and your personal credit score was too low? It's important to understand if you have no business history of consistent profits or already established business credit, it is difficult to get business funding from anywhere or anyone. Until now. We have a solution. Introducing Nove Money Business Credit and Funding. For an affordable one-time fee, we initiate the process by 1. Addressing items on your personal credit report in case you have to personally guarantee any funding prior to your business profile being complete. 2. We address your business lender compliance items, where we identify any missing compliance items that lenders may require for approval. Applying before completing these items likely will result in your business being declined. Lender compliance includes simple items such as having a business address, getting your business listed on the National 411 directory, making sure your entity is in good standing, and 17 other items. 3. Once we've helped your business become 100% lender compliant, we make sure your business is set up the right way with the 3 major business credit reporting agencies. Lender compliance and correct reporting agency setup are 2 very critical steps. Once they're done, you will be able to access our proprietary database of thousands of credit providers and their terms for extending credit to your business. The goal of the program is to help you build strong business credit scores. To accomplish that, you're going to need what's called the 1-3-5. That is 1 bank loan, at least 3 business credit cards, and a minimum of 5 vendor lines of credit that are all reporting to the business reporting agencies. Inside our system, we make sure you get that done and that you're on track to build strong business credit scores. We provide you with the business solutions you need so that you can focus on growing your business. Get started with our Nove Money Business Funding Program today.
All right, y'all, there we have it. There you have it. All right, so let's hear from Damon John again. He's one of the partners with the company Nove, and this is the company that provides business funding, capital for your business. I'm going to show you the website, give you all information about that. We're going to talk a little bit about the real estate and the trading, and we're going to be out your way. Let's hear from Damon John, one of the founders who we're partnered with now. He's he's the founder of Fubu, the company Fubu. You guys can look him up. He founded the clothing company Fubu. Now he is one of the partners or one of the co-founders of Nove, the company that provides all the funding. Let's hear from Damon John really quick again.
What's up? It's the Shark here, Damon John, and I want to congratulate my fellow Sharks, Rico, Hazik, Shanae, and all the affiliates nationwide. And I want to tell you congratulations for Nove and for making the Inc. 5000 as one of the fastest growing companies in America out of more than 7 million. In fact, number 2037. Now that is a hard number to beat. Trust me, you are just getting started. So I want to make sure that I congratulate you because that's what I call display of power. Be very proud of your accomplishments. Many more to come. Thank you for being fellow Sharks. Thank you for testing yourself. And this is only the beginning. All the best. Peace.
There you have it. Damon John, once again, one of our partners here at Nove, the company that's provide the financing. Let's go to the website. I'll share the website with you so you can see exactly what is happening on the website. This is absolutely amazing to have this information coming out in the beginning of the year, because if you need your credit repair, we got you. If you need funding for your business or your church, we got you. We want to make sure you get, if you need real estate, we get that covered too. Your trade, you want to trade in the market, we got you covered. We got a team of investors. I'm in different groups, probably over thousands of people. We want to bring you guys. I want to bring you into the inner circle, but there's a few things you got to be done, a few steps got to be done. I want to bring you closer in the inner circle. So when we start investing in big projects, we want to have you on board. Okay. So this is the website here. We're going to go to really quick, the Nove website, and make sure that you all kind of understand. A young African brother started the company, been in business since 2017. Absolutely remarkable for business and humor. We got different opportunities on here. We have disputing different things on your credit. We have personal loans, debt help, credit cards, all kinds. You guys is all here. It's get instant tax refunds. You can do tax refund, real estate planning, trust funds, shop for life insurance. We got all this on the website, y'all. Very, very, very key stuff here. This is for consumers. Now you see here, we got all this here, saving accounts, will and trust, student loan refinance. If you got student loans, we want to help you refinance those high loans. You guys, we got all that here on the Nove website here. No interest, cash, advance. If you guys need some, let's go there really quick so y'all can see this. I actually use one of these services. You guys need a quick little cash advance. One of the companies here. Now, remind you guys, I want to make this very clear. Don't go to the website tonight and sign up for anything because I want to send you directly my link. I'm just showing you this. Okay, so you can sign up to get payday loans here, a little bit lower interest rates. Y'all remember the payday loans in the community? They charge you all the interest. They don't do that here. Small business credit. You want small business credit up to $50,000 in business credit, y'all. Do y'all hear what I just said? Up to $50,000 in business credit. You got to take the 2-minute assessment thing. Let me show you this video real quick. I think I showed this already. Let's see if I didn't show this.
Are you ready to unlock the biggest secret in business? We're excited to share a game-changing secret that's set to transform how you secure funding for your business. In today's tough economy, you've probably noticed it's harder than ever to get the funding you need. Banks are tightening up, cutting credit lines, and denying loans right the most. But here's some fantastic news. With Nove's Business Credit Suite, you are already pre-qualified for more funding than you might think possible. Discover our comprehensive business credit suite. Nove means new beginnings, and this suite is just that. It's a true game changer, offering access to more than 30 core funding products and over 100 financing sources. It's like having every business financing option that's available today right at your fingertips. Our unique suite provides everything you need to grow and expand, from certified business credit advisors to in-depth videos, funding experts, and much more. One of the keys to our suite is helping you build a strong business credit profile. Just like you have your own personal credit score, your business can build its own credit profile. This score can open doors to significant amounts of cash and credit that are tailored to your business. What sets our suite apart? Well, one thing is you can your business funding in just your company's name without a personal guarantee or hard inquiry on your credit. This means your personal finances are completely safe, no matter what business needs financially. Another major factor that sets us apart is our funding guarantee. In just a short time, you could be approved for over $50,000 real, usable business credit. In fact, we guarantee it, or we'll keep working for you until you do. Rest assured, this isn't some overhyped online course by a random take your money and run guru. We are featured in publications like Forbes, Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, Inc. Magazine, and carry an A+ rating Better Business Bureau for one reason: we get results. We also include a full year of our AI-powered credit software, so you can work on your personal credit at the same time. Even though it's required, having a strong personal credit score will help accelerate your business journey and open even more doors of funding, allowing you to explore a wide variety of funding options like SBA loans, equipment loans, business credit cards, and more. No matter what your business needs or where you are in your journey, we have a funding solution ready for you. So take the next step. You've just stumbled upon the best kept secret in business. Take advantage by enrolling today and scale your business to new heights with Nove's Business Credit Finance Suite.
Okay, y'all. Call the butcher, the baker, the candlestick maker, because this right here, y'all, is for the people. All right. Go to the consumer financing as well. Information is on there. The consumer financing information here. This is very, very powerful information, y'all. Y'all want to check it out. All right. We also have grants and government loans. It's also on the page. Put in the information there, zip code, all that good stuff. They give you more information on that. Okay. We also have business essentials, vacation incentives. This is for entrepreneurs. Church program. This is for the churches, y'all. Y'all heard I just said. Churches that need loans, funding. We got different opportunities on here. Now these videos are a little bit long, so I'm not gonna play the whole video. I'm just gonna play a little piece of it. But this is the Nove Church program. All right. I'm gonna play a little bit of piece video and then keep it moving.
Hello, and thank you for joining us today. A special welcome to all bishops, pastors, reverends, ministers, and leaders from all faith communities who are tuning in. We're excited to introduce you Nove's church program. Nove means new beginnings, and that's exactly what churches provide to those they serve. So it only makes sense that together we can make a tremendous impact in communities nationwide. Our mission is to help you with your mission, providing you with a sustainable and effective way to raise funds and support your community while also empowering your congregation to improve their financial well being. Let's explore how it all works. Churches have traditionally relied on tithes, offerings, donations, fundraisers, special events, conferences, and various other methods to raise funds. These methods have always been the backbone of church fundraising efforts. However, in today's economy, they may not be enough to meet the growing needs of our communities. Rising costs and the increased demands on outreach mean we must explore new ways to secure the resources your church needs.
Okay, so I just want to show a little bit of that video. You guys go there at your leisure, the time that you get a channel. Sorry, log completely out of the website. Y'all give me a second. All right, I tell you what. Nove, I think I completely logged out of the site. Y'all give me a second. Let's see if I. Oh, this is my back. No, this is my back office. I can't take y'all in my back office. I'm back on the site. Okay. So entrepreneurship, taxes, about us. You read about the company. Nove, you scroll down, you see information on the site. Okay, so go to the site tonight. Just look around. Don't sign up for anything. I just want you to see the website. It's nove.com. Go to the site. You'll see more information here on every single thing that's offered. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely mind-blowing and amazing. All right. So make sure that you all go check that out at I think I just logged off the site. All right, so make sure you all go check that out when you have an opportunity. Okay, let's get into this trading thing real quick. Last thing I'm gonna talk about, well, real estate really quick. First, let me just touch on that. We have a portfolio of real estate for investors right now. I'm officially a real estate, I would say marketer. I would say real estate marketer. I help find clients to bring to the table that either you're an investor or you're someone that just want to buy a home discounted. We have millions of dollars worth of property right now. Millions of dollars worth of off-market property. Did y'all hear I said? Meaning that the property is not under contract by real estate agents. So if you are a real estate investor right now, I want you to reach out to me. Type the word increase 708-316-8662. If you are a real estate investor, you're looking for property right now, we want to help you find investment property off the market. That means not under real estate contract, anything like that. We want to help you find property. Okay, that's really quick on that. We want to get the information out to you all. Last but not least, we want to talk a little bit about the trading Forex, and we're going to be out your way. Okay, so I want to make sure that you all see this really quick as we are moving forward in our trading week. This is going to be a big, huge trading week, y'all, because gold right now is at an all-time. When I say all-time high, y'all, I mean an all-time high. I'm looking at gold tonight. And actually, if I had stayed in this gold trade just a little while ago, I'd probably be in big profits right now. I messed up and got out the trade. Okay. So we buy and sell gold. I'll explain all that a little bit more in the masterclass. I'm just giving you an example. In Forex trading, you make money on the way up. When the market go up, you make money when the market go down. Okay. What you're looking at right now is a chart on Trading View. It's a chart where we kind of analyze the market and see what's going on in the market. Okay. The simplicity of it is this. This is bars. Green bar means buy. Red bar means sell. This little yellow line right here is what is called support. We have a support area here, resistive area at the top. Support area basically says the market has been here. It looks to go back to here and possibly not even pass here, but it may pass here. But I'll explain all that later. It's a lot to explain, but I'm trying to give you all the simplicity of trading. So basically, what I did tonight, I got in the market somewhere right here tonight, and the market moved to up here. There's a wick, what is called right here, this little wick right here. All right, that basically means the market touched here and it went back here, which means it may go back up there or may just drop back down to this yellow line. That was what is called money. So I watch the market. I get alerts from this company called Akashex. This is the trading platform. They send me alerts basically telling me when to get in the market and when to get out the market. Now, there is a monthly subscription for this, you all, but trust me, you will make it in the market. So basically, they have what is called a tap to trade. So they send you out a tap to trade alert and say buy gold right now, sell gold right now. As you can see all the way here on the right, it says buy. They tell you where to enter the trade, where to come out the trade, which means stop loss, and where to take profit, which means when the market gets to a certain point, you make profit. Okay. So right now, this is already over 0 times seconds. In other words, I can approve it or not approve it, but by the trade is already being done, it's done. Okay. So this is the market inside of the platform Akashex, which you will have access to this if you pay the monthly subscription. I'll tell you more about that later. You can text the word increase to 708-316-8662 if you're interested in learning more about trading and getting a part of this platform. They have courses in the platform. They have an academy in the platform. They have different traders here. You guys can see that you can sit on the actual live charts with these traders live and trade and make money. All these different traders in here that you can come on their broad. I want to trade with you. Coming out there trading. Now, this is not just Forex trading, but it's also crypto. We have a crypto course in here as well. You can learn about crypto, what to trade in crypto. You guys can see the different languages in here. So that's all in the back office. So get back to the chart really quick. So I want to show you all this really quick. The power of trading on this market's going back. I think I'm gonna put a trade in here soon. The touch. Okay. I'm looking at this for myself now because y'all, I'm gonna help y'all, but I'm looking at this for myself. Okay, looks like it has a different. I gotta move this down. So that's a different level here. All right, I think it created a different support. Support here basically means the market hit here on a sell, touched in this area here, and it shot up for buys. So this is what it's called a support. Support area here, resistance zone, which I want to make a line here because it did do a resistance, look like a little bit up at the top here. So I'm gonna do a little bit. Yeah, it hit up here at the top. Y'all, who winning that game? I know some of y'all watching that game. I had to stop watching y'all. I watched that full Patriots win game, so I said, you know what? I got to go ahead and do this because I had a press tonight. Okay, let's just stay here. I think I'm gonna wait and see what happens first. Cause I think it may because look like how long we got on this kind of. Y'all, let me say this really quick. Trading is money. It is risky. You got to kind of get with the people that kind of know how to do it. You got to get the training, you got to get the skill, and you got to get the language. But I'm telling you now, y'all, I can't tell you how much money you make because I don't want to put all that on here. People just, think it's not real. But trust me, it's real. All right, so I see a different situation here. So we have a support area here, which means the market came here, it touched, and it shot up. So which means now I'm looking for the market. I don't want that. Well, I guess I could leave that on there. That's a short, long position. Y'all don't even know what this is. Trust me, I'm just doing it for my sake. Okay. I'm expecting the market to go up there. I'm going to leave that on the chart. Okay. So now I'm going to bring it down here. Okay. Touch there. All right. So that's seeing all that is. Basically, really quick, how the market works is up, down all day. It's in patterns, it's in candles and all that good stuff. What you're looking for, just really quick, where you can make money, you're looking for support areas and resistance areas. Basically, where the market touched. I'm gonna teach more of this in the class. Where the market touched in an area and said, I don't want to go any further, which is support. It touched and said, nope, I'm gonna touch there, but I'm gonna go somewhere else. So it touched there and went up there. Then it came back down and touched here in this area. Nope, I don't want to go there. I want to keep going up. I want to stop here. Now I want to go up and I want to keep going up. Now this, all this green, y'all, somebody out there made thousands of dollars right here in all this green. The market shot here, took a little support area here and said, nope, you're not going to pass there. Then it went down and went back to a new support area here. Touched back here. Then it said, nope, we're going to go up. But this is what is called a little consolidation, which means the market don't really know what it want to do yet. I'll explain what the two candles right here means. There's two candles that form that give us an indication that it was going to go back in a buy zone. So once it went to the buy, once it went here to sell, it said, nope, we're going to go up. Now, what I'm looking for, y'all, when I'm gonna make some money, is touching here at a new support area. Okay, excuse me, resistant area. It's resisting right here for some reason because the wick on this candle, you guys can see the wick on this candle touched in this area where you see red at. I'm gonna move it up a little bit. Touched in this area where you see all this red and said, I'm gonna see what I want to do. My guesstimations with the market in such an uptrend, they say that the trend is your friend. So by the market being an uptrend, I could put in for a buy somewhere in here and say, look, you're going to look for a newer high, or I can say you touched here in this resistance zone, and you getting ready to drop back somewhere down here where you were before. Gold is already. This is a gold pair. We're trading gold. You guys can see all the way over here on the left. We're trading gold. So it's basically saying that at some point I want to go back down to this yellow line. That's when I got to be ready to put some trades in. My guesstimations this week from here to here, which I'm believing it's going to touch it. I'm looking at the, let me look at the 4 hour time frame. Okay, yeah, yeah, it may go back down here, or it may continue to go up because right now gold is really, people are really trying to get secure in gold right now. Gold has really been moving. Prime example, as I go back to what they call, we're going to back test it. Literally a few days ago, looking at the calendar down here, a few days ago, gold was selling at 45.4593, and right now gold is up to 50. Let's see, 5050. That's a big jump in gold right here. So if somebody made money from down here all the way up to where you see it up here, that's just all money because you can see the gold market is in an uptrend right now. This is gold. This is what is called consolidation. They don't know what they want to do. Consolidation basically means they don't want to know what they want to do. So you guys can see in this area here, gold is saying, I don't know what I want to do. Then it shot up and said, we're going to shoot up a little bit. Then we're going to consolidate again. Now it's shooting up. Now it passed my support, my resistance zone. Basically, when I got here, it said, I want to resist this zone. Sorry, y'all. I got a call. I got a call really quick. All right. I got to call them back. That's one of my trading partners, actually. One of my trading partners called me. So so basically it said that it wanted it wanted to shoot up here. It got to this point here. Once it broke through my yellow line here, it said, oh, we gone. It shot up here, then said, no, I'm gonna come back a little bit. But then once it hit once it got above this gold line, they said you want to see candles close above your resistance zone. Once these candles start closing, it just starts going up. Now my guesstimations with the way the market, the trend is going up, and I have another chart on my other computer that I look at as well. My guesstimations by morning, gold is going to be somewhere up here. It's going to be somewhere. It's going to be between right now. It touched that 547. It touched that 547. I'm expecting to go up to like, yeah, it's going somewhere up here. Yeah, it's going somewhere in this area. It's going to go from this area here, 5051 to probably like 5075, somewhere in that area. But it's going to keep going up because I'm looking at the trend right now. The trend is your friend. All these candles are showing the indication this market is going up. You see very little sales reversals going back in a different direction. All these candles are pointing up. All right. So what we do is, as traders, let me give y'all this real quick. This is free. Y'all should be teaching y'all this in the class, but I'm gonna give you all this free. We go to what is called Forex Factory. This is where we get news on markets and stuff like that to kind of make sure that's about it right. We're trying to make sure what's happening in the market. It gives us indications of moves we need to be looking for. Okay, so you guys are learning this tonight. I'm gonna get ready to get back to the game here. I know I really kind of think the Rams gonna win, but we'll see. Let me see what the score is, y'all. Excuse me 1 second. NFL live scores. Oh, okay. The Rams looking good. Oh, they're still in the second half. I'm gonna watch the third half. Third and fourth quarter. Okay, so Forex Factory, we go there, we look at the market, see what's going on, look at announcements. This kind of sort of like a what you call a great tool we use to to look at news and kind of see what's going on in the market. So you kind of look. So look right now, everything you need to know about gold, what's going on with gold. Boom, we're going here, look at some posts and all that good stuff. The rise precious metals prices is breathtaking. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? It's breathtaking right now. So that means gold is going to keep moving up. So we got to be looking for buy. Too many sales. We're looking for buy. Okay. Let me go back to my chart here. All right. So this is all buy stuff. So what I'm going to do is just a little bit, I'm going to put in a buy somewhere up here where you see this red at, because I'm anticipating. Let me see some time we got here. We got 54 minutes left on this one candle. So when that next candle forms, I'm looking at it, put a buy in, because I'm anticipating the market to go in this red and keep going up, maybe to green, I don't know, but I'm expecting it to keep going up. All right, because right now gold is moving, as you guys seen the news over here on forestfactory.com. The gold rush is happening. Got the full story, pull it up. Gold rises. Gold is now at 50% since August 22nd. Keeps going up. You guys can see that gold market is going up, and it looks like it is not slowed down. Okay, so that's news we want to. I'm sorry, you can't even see that because I'm not on that page. Okay, so y'all can see the Forex Factory page. I thought I forgot it. This is not a full screen. I got one tab that you can see. But anyway, forexfactory.com is a good tool. All right, so anyway, I'm getting ready to close it out. I just wanted to show you all this little bit here tonight, get you guys up to speed. You can join my masterclass, 708-316-8662. Text the word increase. I want you in the masterclass learning how to trade. We want to get everybody making $500 to $1,000 a day. That's our goal. That's my goal this week. I'm looking to do $500 a day in my trading account. So just got a gold signal. Give me a second. I mean, a trading signal. Let me see what's going on. We'll see what's going on with y'all. It's probably gold. Yeah, it is gold. Yep. It's telling us to buy gold right now. Right. That I already passed the take profit. 50. Yeah, it already passed. I think I took too long to take it. It's going up. So I'm just going to buy gold right now. So y'all get to see me execute a trade live on my phone. I got my phone right here. I'm getting ready to buy gold. The gold markets are climbing, and it's climbing. So I'm going to buy gold and look at this. Look at it to keep going up. It's buying gold right now, and it's climbing up. I'm already in profit. That's what I want to teach y'all. I'm going to teach y'all how to do this. Everybody out there that's got a computer, iPhone, a tablet, turn it into an ATM machine. Listen, y'all, I'm getting ready to sign off. I appreciate everyone that came in tonight. This has been a great and it's going to be a good finish this year, 2026, for all you investors out there, all you traders, everybody that's looking to do something in the market, real estate, and help y'all. Help. 708-316-8662. We want to get the information to you. All right, so listen. Again, I'm Dr. Jeremiah Flynn. You can follow me on Facebook here, Twitter, Instagram. We're trading God's money, popping on the screen. Oh, yes, God's money. In God's money. Forex is on the move, as y'all can see. And we got the charts there where we're trading gold. Listen, y'all, we'll see you on the next time. Share, like, comment. You guys text me on 708-316-8662. You're interested in the masterclass. We want to get this information to y'all. Thank you again for tuning in. I think we're going to go off. There's a video. If I can find it, I want you all to see before we go on for the night, so I can go watch the second half of this game. Everybody, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. This been a good so far. I see some great things happening here. Looks like that video. I don't know. I put it in my folder yet, but I'll tell you what. Excuse me. We may have to get back to that video next time. I don't think I see it in my folder, but I got some good stuff I'm gonna be giving y'all. This, like I said, this is only the beginning. This is only the beginning. This is the introduction of everything. So, all right, everybody, we're signing off. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you on the next time. And the Wealth Building Legacy Masterclass with yours truly, Dr. Jeremiah Fleming. Name of our organization is Toll to Legacy, and Toll to Legacy. Toll stands for the transfer of wealth. The transfer of wealth. So we want to transfer some wealth into you all's hand and all the generations and the generations to come. We'll see you in the next time.